Hi my beauties, I have come up with a very interesting requested video on what are the do's and the don'ts of exfoliation. To continue watching, keep on watching the video. Okay, I have got Ever Youth scrub. Okay, so I'm taking small amount of scrub and I am going to very gently massage it and exfoliate my skin. Remember, always you have to use this scrub on a damp skin. You have to go in a very light pressure, you have to be very easy on your skin, and you have to take care that you are not exfoliating enough on your active pimples. So yes, you have to do it very slowly and you have to be very cautious कि अपनी आँखों से जो एरिया है उसके थोड़ा नीचे से एक्सफोलिएट करना है, बिकॉज आईज़ की स्किन बहुत ही सॉफ्ट होती है, सो वहाँ पर नहीं करना है. It's very important to be very gentle on your skin. You have to exfoliate especially around the areas of your nose, forehead and chin. Okay, so I'm taking a little bit more because I have rackets. Don't have to put excess pressure. You have to be very gentle, and you have to be very gentle, and you have to feel that putting a lot of pressure will not give you very clean skin. So you have to make sure that after exfoliation you are wearing a sunscreen if you are stepping out of the house, because when we exfoliate we remove all the dead skin cells and our skin is very raw and it is subjected to a lot of damage. I hope you guys enjoyed. Till then, bye.